everyone, welcome back to Zandile Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well guys, it's always advisable not to speak when you are angry, because sometimes you might say something bad to your loved ones and be unable to reverse it. As we all know that Zandile Khumalo and her sister Zandile are not getting along since February 2020. It's been 2 years guys. Their misunderstanding started with Zandile's husband Mhlo Gumede when he used Zandile Khumalo's name for an event she was not involved in. Reports claim that Mhlo took a payment from the organizers because they saw Zandile Khumalo's name and Kelly knew nothing about that. She then released a statement and said Mhlo is not her booking manager. I quote, "With all due respect, Mhlo Gumede is my sister's husband and manager, not my booking manager, no part of my team. Never was and never will be. So whatever dealing you may have with him, do not involve me," close quote. Then guys, Zandile stepped in with a lot of reason, including her not being paid to be featured in Zandile Khumalo's reality show, non-payment when she was a backup dancer, abuse, and so much more. Then she decided to publicly divorce her sister Zandile Khumalo, which was the first time I heard of that term in sisters. And on the other side, Kelly accepted the divorce and wants nothing to do with her, saying to her she does not exist. But guys, it seems as if Zandile wants to make things right with her sister, which is a good thing, and even their fans will be happy with that if that can happen. I remember how excited they were when they saw Zandile Khumalo and Zandile's children together, and they assume all was well, but Zandile told them everything is still the same between them. On Sunday, Zandile posted a picture of herself with her sister and she wrote, "Thixo lapho ekhona uqhubeke umupha amandla uze usigcinele nomama ekhaya, uhlale ehlezi ekholwa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga isimo siyoshintsha." Her post wasn't open for comments, which led to many sending her DMs. Yesterday she gave credit to Babes Wodumo and shared the following message. "Konje Babes Wodumo sent me a very random and sweet voice message Sunday night. Only her can be as random and sweet as that, cause her heart is pure love, her to beat." And she left an audio, and this is the audio guys. This is sad guys. I actually pray they sort their differences and be a family again for their mother's sake, because this is not good at all to her. Guys, that's all I have for today. Please comment below and share your advice to the Khumalo sisters, because it's clear Zandile wants to reach out, but Kelly is not there. Bye.